Long-term cryptocurrency investment is one of the most beneficial techniques in making money in the cryptocurrency space. As a crypto holder, you want to hold a particular cryptocurrency for a long period of time, and hopefully once this crypto asset appreciates in value, you earn money from this investment. In this tutorial guide, we will be looking at some major ways for you to maximize your earning potential in the crypto space by utilizing the Binance futures trading feature. In order to be limitless in earning, a crypto holder can also decide to trade on the Binance futures platform. This gives you more opportunity to earn, as these futures contracts are usually settled in the future, just as the name implies. Now, one key note you need to know is that cryptocurrency trading in particular is very risky, so you can only afford to invest in what you can lose, and you should take caution when trading, or when trading in particular or in general. Now you need to know the Binance futures has a lot of features which is very beginner friendly, and also has lots of opportunities and advantages that users can utilize. It also has the guides and information center, the battle space, and also the strategy trading, which all users can make use of. On the Binance futures, all you need to do to get started is to register an account on Binance. Once you've done your registration, make sure you complete your KYC, funded your account, done your two-factor authentication, and done your KYC verifications. You can now go over to the Binance futures and click on the register now and log in to your account. You need to understand that the Binance futures is made up of the USD margin futures, in which the perpetual or quarterly contracts are usually settled in USDT or BUSD. These are majorly stable coins. For other cryptocurrency settled contracts, you want to use the Coinmarketcap futures option. Now, one key factor about the Binance futures is the fact that the Binance futures is very different from the crypto sports trading. The crypto spot trading is the most friendly trading and most easy to access spot trading for new beginners. What you should know is that in spot markets or in spot trading, traders can decide to buy and sell cryptocurrencies for immediate delivery. But in the futures markets, traders buy and sell derivatives futures or derivatives contracts that represent the value of a specific asset. So the futures trading is one of the most preferred options among experienced traders, because profit can be made from either direction of the market. So this gives you the opportunity to make money from either direction of the market, and gives you more advantage in earning or more earning potential as a crypto trader. The spot markets offer a variety of digital assets for traders to buy and hold, while futures market gives traders the opportunity to benefit from small price fluctuations in any direction. These benefits can also be amplified by using the Binance leverage feature. As a rule of thumb, a spot market is where commodities, currency, stocks, and bonds are traded with instantaneous delivery. In contrast, a futures market settles the delivery of its underlying assets and futures contract on a predetermined future date. We are now going to look at some major reasons to consider when trading futures. For the main points, the futures trading is one of the most preferred instruments among experienced traders, as it gives them the opportunity to earn more money in the crypto space. The market neutral strategies, which is a core component of the Binance futures, can be implemented to profit from either direction of the market. So with Binance futures, buying and selling crypto derivatives has never been easy. Cryptocurrencies are well known for how volatile they can be. So while the significant price fluctuations in the market can turn some people away, most traders see volatility as the secret to making significant gains. Futures traders have the opportunity to make profits regardless of the market's direction. So not only can price increases boost their portfolios, but when the market even goes red or bearish, futures traders can also go short. So these features are more I have made the futures trading the preferred option for cryptocurrency enthusiasts worldwide. So as a new user or as a crypto holder, you want to consider some of these major key points that we're currently looking at. A new realm of trading possibilities is where the futures trading is one of the best options for anyone who loves cryptocurrencies and loves the opportunity to make good money while trading cryptocurrencies or while working in the crypto space. So the derivatives contract represent the value of a specific Many traders use futures trading as an edge in the spot market. The derivative contracts can be so high and got low to profit from price frequencies and making market that strategies from. So these market research trading strategies enables you to either profit from both the price difference or the price appreciation or depreciation in the market. So the futures trading, you are going to worry about people or any stagnancy because of the big news that you will always be able to use. The ability to also use borrowed funds or leverage increases the profitability of a trade by default. This leverage feature is not available in the crypto sports trading, although the Binance futures has this feature. The ability to use this gives you or increases the profitability of a trade by default. A trader with an account balance of $100 use 10x leverage and borrow $900 to enter a trade or long short position worth $1,000. If the trade goes in favor of him, a 10% price change could help double the initial balance on the account within a very short period of time. Scenario, you can see a picture representation where a trader with an initial account balance of $100 goes into the Binance futures and enters a $1,000 long position. A trader decided to use 10x leverage to borrow $900. After a 10% price increase, the account balance doubled to $200. So this is why the liquidity plays such a crucial role in futures trading. The higher the leverage used, the higher the need to fill and buy sell orders without slippage. At some of the benefits of the Binance futures, as a lucrative endeavor such as futures trading comes with its own fair share of advantages and disadvantages. Now, for advantages or the pros, the Binance crypto futures trading allows you to bet against the markets. In this case, you can use the market neutral trading strategies, which enables you to go long or short and profit from either direction of the market. So with the use of leverage, traders can also gain significant exposure to an asset with only a fraction of its total cost. Many traders can use futures trading as an edge against the spot market, which is a great for any investment portfolio. The cons here is the high volatility in the cryptocurrency market can be a blessing or a torment to crypto traders because the direction of an asset is not guaranteed. The exposure to leverage can lead to significant losses, especially for novice traders who do not implement a solid risk management strategy. So guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial, guys. We do hope you now understand some major key concepts about the Binance futures and why as a crypto holder you should consider trading futures on Binance. The crypto derivatives trading is a convenient way to speculate in the future valuation of digital assets, and it can be very lucrative for those with the proper knowledge and a solid risk management. The Binance futures has grown to become the most liquid derivatives. It also provides a lot of enormous benefits for users. and you can decide to tap into some of these benefits. We will be leaving the link in the description box for you to start trading on the Binance futures and start benefiting from the Binance futures. As a beginner trader, we do suggest that you start with a very small amount of cryptocurrency or crypto amount in order for you to keep up and learn during the process or gather experience in the Binance futures portal. See you now next upload, and thank you for watching.